No, I just wanted to check it out. I'm not gonna solve that.
Oh man, he's good. Bam! Bam!
Oh man.
What's that one called?
This one's called a mirror cube.
Everyone close your eyes, it's like shiny. Yeah, I know.
Where does Optimus Prime's rig or whatever it is on his back go when he just transforms? It just falls off, and then it comes back when
I think it's his intestines. It goes inside his body.
Yeah, definitely it switches.
That is so crazy.
That looks so cool.
We witnessed a plastic courage. Though we made loads of like this. There's more to it than meets the eye. I am Optimus Prime and I send this message when you're raining on about finding our future.
He knows it.
We are here.
Bam! Oh! That's good.
You gotta do your impact team thing again.
Impact team! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Awesome. Thank you, dude.